Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue our fourth unit, Societal Impacts. Proprietary license, free and open source software, cybercrime. These are the points that we are going to discuss today. Proprietary license. Exclusive rights in the software are retained with the owner, developer or publisher. They reserve all the freedom and rights to use and distribute this proprietary software. Free and open source software. It refers to software that the users can safely run, adapt and redistribute without legal restraint and which emphasizes freedom. Open source software, OSS, is a software with a source code that is publicly available under general public license that gives the user the right to study, modify and distribute the software and emphasizes security, cost saving and transparency. Hence, FOSS, free and open source software, allows using, copying, studying and modifying the software and the source code to be openly shared and allow copyrights to other users. Permissive license. It provides a royalty-free license to do virtually anything with the source code. They permit using, copying, modifying, merging, publishing, distributing, sublicense and or selling, but the distribution can only be made without the source code, as a source code modification can lead to permissive license violation. Copyleft license. In the case of copyleft license, source code has to be provided. Distribution and modification of source code is permitted. Example, General Public License GPL, Creative Commons License CC, Lesser General Public License LGPL, Mozilla Public License MPL, etc. Copyright. It is a form of protection given to the authors of original works of authorship. This is given in the field of literature, dramatics, music, software, art, etc. This protection applies to published as well as unpublished work. Software copyright is used by software developers and proprietary software companies to prevent the unauthorized copying of their software. Free and open source licenses also rely on copyright law to enforce their terms. Copyright protects your software from someone else copying it and using it without your permission. When you hold the copyright to software, you can make copies of it, distribute it, modify it. Cybercrime. Cybercrime or computer-oriented crime or computer crime is an illegal behavior done through electronic operations that touches the security of computer system and the data processed by them. In other words, cybercrime is a crime in which the offense is done using a computer, or we can say a computer is the object of the crime. Common type of cybercrime include identity theft, unauthorized computer access, online bank information theft, and online predatory crimes. Cybercrime includes a large range of activities, but it can be classified into two categories. First category, crimes that target computer networks or devices. These types of crimes include viruses and denial of service or DOS attacks. Second one, crimes that use computer networks to advance other criminal activities. These types of crimes include cyber stalking, phishing, fraud or identity theft. These are the assignment questions for you. Please write these questions and answers in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.